Fak-Sau is the same thing as your number 2 strike in Escrima. It's an angled attack. The only difference is the number 2, we circle it more. This one is straight, more angled. When you're doing Fak-Sau, we have this in the Sunam Dao as well, double. It's not this. It doesn't swing and do that. That's bad. I don't want to swing like so. Rather, I want to touch Charles here. I don't want to spin him like this. I want to touch him with my fingertips. That's the motion. It's going out, not back. Does that make sense? It's very important. And you lead with the elbow. Lead with the elbow and then extend. Don't lead with the hand and swing.
Can you show an application for that?
Kind of. Yeah, no. Yeah. So that it's not this. I don't like the Fak-Sau in the form. It's the way you do your Gan-Sau. That should be your height. That should be it. It's here. That's Fak-Sau. Just like your Gan-Sau is down here. Fak-Sau's up here. That would be the correct way to do it. This makes absolutely no sense. This makes absolutely no sense. Fak-Sau is the same thing as your number 2 strike in Escrima. It's an angled attack. The only difference is minor differences. The number 2, we circle it more. This one is straight, more angled. Minor little things, but conceptually it's the same thing. So Fak-Sau can be done often as not. He steps in and punches it, and I've got a flank on him, like so, or an angle on him. Well, this makes very good sense. I could drop the elbow and punch. That's certainly doable. But this here just goes.